Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Whitestone Dome Tempered Glass Screen Protector for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, in my opinion, this is the best tempered glass screen protector that you can get for a device. I use it on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It works great. You can't even tell that it's on the device, and it is case friendly as well, so you don't have to worry about popping it off. We'll test it out with the OnePlus 7 Pro as well. I got some cases hiding up here, so once we get the screen protector on, we'll throw some cases on there and see if it ends up popping off the tempered glass screen protector or if it looks like it's going to stay on. So as you can see, I got the box right here. It is full response, full clarity, full coverage, and full filling. Now this does use a UV light for adhesive curing. It is a bubble-free installation kit inside as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure your device is powered off. So let me go ahead and power this off. Then I'm gonna go ahead and open this box, set everything up, and then we'll get started. All right, so as you can see, I got everything set up and ready to go. Now I do need to mention something real quick. As you can see, there are two foam pads on each side of this top piece right here. Now sometimes they do come pre-installed on this, sometimes they don't. So if you don't see these two white foam pads on each side of this top piece here, you got to make sure and look through everything that it comes with to see if you got them. That way you can put them and make sure they're on the side, because you are going to need those right there. But we'll go ahead and set that to the side for now. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure the display is clean. So we got it off, so I'm gonna go ahead and use these cleaning cloths right here that it comes with. Let me go ahead and open this right here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the screen. You really wanna make sure it's clean, no fingerprints or dust or anything like that. So let me go ahead and get this cleaned up real quick. All right, just finishing up right here. So once you got that all nice and cleaned up, as you can see, it is moist on top. So what you're gonna wanna do is get one of these dry cloths right here and go ahead and dry it down. Make sure you dry it down really good. You don't want any wet spots or anything like that. So get it nice and dry, make sure all the fingerprints are off. Now, once you're done drying it, you're most likely gonna have some lint on the display. I can already see a couple pieces of lint. So next thing you want to do, I'm going to set this down again really quick. Next thing you wanna do is grab these stickers right here, dust remover stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel one of these off and grab the device and just use it and kind of run it over the display. That way it picks up any lint that has been left behind on the display. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this really quick. All right, so I pretty much got all the lint off. It looks pretty clean to me. So once you do that, you wanna go ahead and throw it in the bottom tray here. So there we go, it's in there nice and set. Now the next thing you want to do once you get the device in there, once the display is nice and clean, now you can see, I don't know if you can notice on camera, but a little bit of lint already found there. So we'll go over it with the sticker again before we start the whole process. So let's go ahead and take one of these, and what you want to do with these is cover the top speaker. So let me go ahead and get it. You want to just get it right on the speaker, that way none of that adhesive gets in there. So let me go ahead and throw that on there. Okay, so I got the top speaker covered up. So once we do that, now we can go ahead and get this top piece right here and lock it into place. All right, so there we go. We got that locked into place. Now, before we move on, I'm gonna go ahead and take another dust remover sticker so I can remove more lint that has fallen on the display. All right, just making sure I get it nice and clean here. Make sure I get every piece of lint because you don't want any air bubbles on this screen protector. There we go, looks pretty clean to me. Let me go ahead and throw this to the side. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and take this little tool right here and slip it right on top right there. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and take this bridge right here and just throw it right on top right there in these two little slots. And then once we do that, first we're gonna take one of these little bottles, the adhesive is in here, and we're gonna remove the red top. All right, so here we go. Got that removed. Now what we wanna do next is screw this in to the bridge here. So let me go ahead and get that in there. There we go. So once we got that in the bridge, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the top black piece now. So here we go. Let me go ahead and unscrew this. There we go, and then we're just gonna let the adhesive all come out of there until it's all finished. Once it's all finished, we will go ahead and take the bridge off. But let me go ahead and make sure all the adhesive is off first. Okay, so it looks like all the adhesive is off of there. So let me go ahead and take the bridge off very carefully. You don't wanna drip any leftover adhesive at all. There we go. Go ahead and take that off. And next thing we're gonna do is get the screen protector, take it out of the plastic, and then we're gonna take off the bottom sticker right here. There we go, and then we got the tempered glass screen protector right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take the screen protector and pretty much just drop it right in there. There you go. So as you can see, this little piece up here stops it from touching the adhesive. Now, this part is very important. What we're gonna do is apply a little bit of pressure on the bottom until the adhesive reaches the middle of the display, and then we're gonna pull this top part up here and just let the adhesive spread on its own. So let's go ahead and do this. Like I said, this part is very important. This is the part that you don't wanna mess up. So here we go. Reaches the middle. Boom, pull it right there, let it back down, and let it spread on its own. So once this is all spread out, I will be right back. All right, so it is all spread out and ready to go. So the next thing we're gonna do, I already got my UV light hooked up. We're gonna take this UV light and let it shine on the display for 15 seconds on the top and 15 seconds on the bottom. So let me go ahead and do this real quick for 15 seconds, like I said, on the top. And then once that's done, I'll move it down for 15 seconds as well. Okay, so that's 15 seconds for the top. Let me go do 50 seconds on the bottom. Okay, so that has been 15 seconds both on the bottom and the top. Now what we wanna do next, take off the top piece and then take off the sticker on the speaker. So let me do that really quick. All right, so I got the device out of there now. Now what we want to do is go ahead and take this cleaning cloth again, this little moist towelette that they got here. And we're gonna go ahead and clean the screen protector. Make sure we get all around the sides as well for any adhesive that has seeped through the sides of the screen protector. Most of the time it doesn't really get through too bad, but we want to clean it just in case anyways, just to make sure that way you're not getting that adhesive everywhere, all over your hands or the outside of your device. So I got this all nice and cleaned up. There we go. And then we'll go ahead and take our dry little towel here and go ahead and dry it up. All right, so now that I got it all nice and clean, let me go ahead and put it back down here. Now what we're gonna do is use the UV light again, this time for 1 minute at the top, 1 minute at the bottom. And then we're gonna repeat that process again for another minute at the top and another minute at the bottom. So let me go ahead and do this process. I don't wanna leave the camera running for 4 full minutes. So like I said, I'm gonna do a minute at the top right now. I got the time going, and then I'm gonna do a minute at the bottom and then repeat that process again. All right, so that was 1 minute at the top and 1 minute at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one with the timer this time. This is the second round we go, so here we go. All right, so that was a minute at the top and the bottom. And let's go ahead and take this off and take a look at the screen protector and see how it looks. Now it's actually looking really good. I don't see any air bubbles or anything like that. Look at that, came out really, really nice. This is just saw a little bit of dust right here. But as far as the screen protector goes, it actually came out really good. No air bubbles, looking good. So let me go ahead and throw a case on it and let's see how case friendly it is with the OnePlus 7 Pro. So the first thing we're gonna do is try out the case that it comes with in the box. So I got it right here. Let's go ahead and slap it on. Now I know sometimes they say wait a day or two to throw a case on there, but for the video, we're gonna go ahead and try it out right now. And it doesn't look like it's even touching the screen protector. There is a small space right there. I don't know if you can see that in camera, but there is a small gap between the screen protector and the case on the sides, and even a bigger gap on the bottom and the top as well. So it's actually looking pretty good. Now let me try another case I got here for my OnePlus 7 Pro. And this case is by Rinky, which I will have linked down in the description below in case you find yourself interested in it. So here we go, got that on as well. And even this one, there is a small gap on the sides as well. I don't know if you can tell on camera. It's kind of hard to get it focused on there. But yes, there is a small gap on the sides and on the bottom. So you shouldn't have any trouble with using a case with this. You shouldn't have any problems with it popping off or anything like that. Let me go ahead and power the device on. And there it goes. So once the device powers on, we're gonna test it out, see how responsive the phone is with the screen protector on, and also check out the fingerprint scanner. All right, so I got the phone on and ready to go. Let's go ahead and check out responsiveness. It's very responsive. Honestly, it doesn't even feel like there's a screen protector on the device, which is actually really good. Let's go ahead and check out the fingerprint scanner. and it works just like if there's no screen protector on there at all. So as you can see, it's working very good. The Whitestone Dome Tempered Glass screen protector, like I said, in my opinion, this is one of the best, if not the best tempered glass screen protector that you can get for any device right now. And if you find yourself interested in this screen protector, I will make sure to link it down in the description below so you can check one out for yourself. They run around 50 bucks. I know it does seem like a lot, but honestly, I personally feel like it is definitely worth it. You definitely want to make sure that your display is protected, and having one of these screen protectors on that makes it feel like you don't even have a screen protector on is great. And it also comes with the lifetime warranty as well, so if anything ever happens to it, it gets cracked, it scratches up too much, and you want to get it replaced, you just send it in, they'll send you a brand new one at no charge. So this has been the Whitestone Dome Tempered Glass screen protector. Like I said, in my opinion, the best tempered glass screen protector you can get for any device right now, especially if you really want to keep that display protected. And like I said, you don't even notice it's on there. It looks like you don't have anything on there, like that's the display that the phone comes with. So it's pretty cool, it's pretty neat, it looks beautiful. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments sections below. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.